In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI API to Base44. We'll be working directly inside Base44, and the process is very simple once you know where to look. The main idea is to open the workspace, find the prompt area, add a connector, and then begin building from there. As you follow along, make sure you're signed into the correct account in Base44. So everything is available on your screen. First, go to Base44 and open the app. Once the platform loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. If this is your first time here, the interface may look minimal, but that actually makes the setup process easier. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on Home. This takes you to the main workspace area where you can begin creating and configuring what you need. If you're ever unsure where to start, Home is usually the best place because it brings you back to the central dashboard. From there, move your attention to the prompt box. This is the area where Base44 lets you build and guide your setup. Think of it as the main input space for what you want the platform to do. Before typing anything, it helps to make sure you're in the correct section and that the prompt box is active. Next, click on the plus button. This is where you can add extra tools or integrations into your current setup. In many workflows, this button acts like an entry point for expanding what your prompt can access. So it's an important step. After that, click on Connectors. This opens the list of available integrations you can attach to your prompt. Connectors allow Base44 to work with external services and APIs, so this is the part that makes the connection possible. Now type in GitHub API and click on it to add it to the prompt box. Once selected, it should appear as part of your prompt setup. Take a second to confirm that it was added properly before moving on. If you don't see it right away, just check the prompt area again and make sure the connector was inserted. Once the GitHub API is already added, you're ready for the final part. At this stage, the connector is in place and available inside your prompt workflow, which means the setup is essentially prepared. Now you can start the prompt. This is where you begin giving Base44 your instructions and using the connected API within your project. For best results, keep your prompt clear and specific so the platform understands exactly what you want it to do. And that's it. You've successfully added the connector in Base44, and you're ready to continue building.